forces radio
Civilian
Stuttgart.
transports have passed the city wall and are outside Munich. Incoming transmission. Escort the civilian transports to the abandoned subway on the southwest side of Old Munich. At least one transport must survive.
Hit it! Tear him up!
Unit under attack.
They're right in front of us! Go, go!
Oh my god! They're destroying everything!
Hit it! Come on, guys!
Sir, they've blown the bridge. We'll need to take an alternate route.
Hit it! All right!
The city is on fire! All of it! So many people!
I think they want some more!
Unit under attack.
Pick it up! We're on it!
It's gone! All of it! It's gone!
On my way! Pick it up! Come on! Hit it! How's that?
We're getting pounded, sir. We can't take much more of this. Rending of the flesh, and they're just... We sustained too much damage, sir. We need to head to that forward battle base and repair, or we're not going to make it to the subway. The walls! They're destroying the walls! People are being torn apart!
Hit it! Open season!
We've taken some heavy damage, sir. Our engines are down. We'll get them back up as soon as we can. Till then, cover us. Taking heavy damage. Damn it! We're leaking fluid from something. Cell Platoon Epsilon at your service, sir. We'll be covering your escape. People killed left and right. Engines up and running, sir. Let's move.
All right! Right on!
Ground support. We thought we were alone in the universe. Oh, the hubris.
Come on! We can take them. These guys are mine!
Unit under attack.
Let's do it!
These things! The infernal buzzing!
Unit under attack.
Where they hiding? Go, go!
Repaired and ready to roll. Let's blow this pop stand. We're over the bridge. Almost there. Almost there. Electrical system's failing. Taking too much damage. Emergency repairs enacted. Cover us, sir. Patch it through. Hope this works.
Unit lost.
Come on, come on, come on!
We got it, boss!
Electrical system's patched and ready. Let's go!
Come on! We'll take him! Go, go! On my way! Hit it! Pick it up! On my way!
We're home free, sir. Evacuating GDI Council.
Objective
There they are!
complete. Unit under attack. Mission accomplished.
That was nice work, Commander. Looks like these things aren't invincible after all. Of course, I'd feel a lot better about our victory if I had any idea what their agenda was beyond just wreaking havoc. But one benefit of that uncertainty is it seems to have driven Director Boyle into hiding.
Our secured bunker in Reykjavik. That's where you're supposed to be too, General.
Not a chance in hell. We're going to use this time wisely, make some moves without being second-guessed. And you're the key here, Commander. I need you to turn the tide against these invaders. Build up some momentum, just like you did against Nod. Anyone else, I'd worry about putting too much on their shoulders, but you seem to want that responsibility.
We don't have much time. The invaders have spread out from Munich into several other cities in the region. Kiersey will bring you up to speed.